How to make everyone can see your following list on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make everyone can see your following list on TikTok mobile. First then open TikTok and then click profile, and here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and click settings and privacy, and now click privacy and scroll down until you find the following list. Click on it, and now all you need to do is just select everyone, and as you see here now everyone can see your following list. Now just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.